Hello and welcome to the channel. In this tutorial I'll show you how to design the simple model in FreeCAD using these dimensions here. So this will be a practical exercise that will use part design workbench, sketch workbench and sheet metal to create this model in FreeCAD. So first here we need to create a new document. So click on this icon to create a new document, and now here click in workbench selector and select part design workbench. If you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel and leave a like in this video. I also have a Ko-fi page in which you can donate to support the channel if you want. Link to this page can be found in the description of this video. Thank you. And now here we need a new body and a new sketch. So click here to create a new body and here to create a new sketch. And now for this sketch here, select this plane here, YZ plane. And in this sketch here, we'll draw two lines, a vertical line and a horizontal line. So select this polyline tool and now draw this horizontal line and next this vertical line. Okay, and as you can see, we have two lines here and 2 degrees of freedom. So we need to set the dimension of this sketch to full considering this sketch here. So let's go to this drawing page, and here we can see these dimensions. So for the vertical line, we'll set this dimension here, 7.1, and for the horizontal line, we'll set 45.5 millimeters. So here select this constraint distance tool, and now clicking this line here, and now we can set the length of this line. So set this dimension here, and now clicking this vertical line and set 7.1. And now as you can see, the sketch is full constrained it, as you can see here. So now click close and home. And next here we need to make the extrusion of the sketch, but the sketch is not a closed drawer. So what we do, we go to workbench selector and here select sheet metal. And here in this workbench we can make the extrusion of the sketch. So first go to model and now select the sketch here and now click in this icon. And now as you can see, we have this extrusion, we have this part here. And the next thing that we need to do is to change some parameters of this operation. So first here select the space band, and as you can see we have these parameters here. So first here we'll change the band side to a side, and here in the middle plane we'll set true because we want this part here in the middle. Okay, and next here we'll change these dimensions here. So let's go to this drawing page, and here we can see these dimensions again. So this dimension here, 5, will be the thickness here, and here in this top view, this dimension here, 28, will be the length of this extrusion. Okay, and this radius here is the same here. So okay, so now let's go to this part here, and first here change the thickness to 5 and the length here to 28, and now clicking this refresh button, and now as you can see we have this part with these parameters. So next here we go back to part design workbench, and the next step here is to create this part here. So what we do first here we need to create a sketch. So select this face here and now create a new sketch. Okay, and here we'll extract this edge and this edge. So select this external geometry tool and extract these two edges in this way. Okay, and next here we'll draw arcs and lines. So select this arc tool first. And now select this line tool and connect these points of these arcs. Okay, and now select polyline tool, click in this point here, now in this point and this point. So now the sketch is closed. Okay, and next here we'll set some constraints. So first here, click escape, and now select this point here and set tangent. So do the same for these points. Okay, and next here we'll set symmetrical constraint here. So select the smart tool, and now these two center points and this center point here. And as you can see, now we have the symmetrical constraint. And next here, select this horizontal constraint and select this point and this point here. And now select this equal constraint, select this arc here and this arc. Okay, and now select this point and this point here and set horizontal constraint. Okay, and now we'll set, now here select this equal constraint again and select these two lines. Okay, and now we'll set the radius of these arcs. Okay, so let's go to this drawing page, and here we see this angle here, this radius, and here we have this distance between these center points. Okay, so first here what we do, we select this constraint diameter, and for this arc here we set a radius of 20, and for this arc here we set 12. Okay, and next here we'll set the distance between these two center points here. So select this horizontal distance tool, select these 2 points and set 40. Okay, and next here we have 1 degree of freedom here. So what you do next, select this constraint here. So here we set this formula, 108 minus 128 degrees, and we get 52 degrees. So next we can draw these cycles, these two cycles here. So select the cycle tool and draw these two cycles in these center points, and now set these two cycles equal. Okay, and next we can set the diameter of the cycle 10. So select this constraint and now this cycle and set 10 millimeters, and now leave the sketch. And now select this pad tool and first here set reversed and change the length to 5. And now click OK. And as you can see, now we have this part here. And the next step here is to create this part here. So what to do, we select this face here and create a new sketch here. And now go to sketch geometries and click in this arrow and select rounded rectangle tool and draw this rectangle. Okay, and next here we'll set the dimension of this rectangle and the placement of this rectangle. So here in this view we can see this dimension here and this horizontal dimension. So select this constraint here and now select these 2 points and set 40. Okay, and now select these 2 points here and set 58. Okay, and next here we'll set this radius 5 millimeters. So select this constraint here and set 5 for this arc here. And now we have 2 degrees of freedom. So what we'll do first, select this external geometry tool and now extract this edge here and select these 2 points and set horizontal constraint. Okay, and now select this smart constraint tool and now these 2 center points and these vertical line. So as you can see, now we have these this sketch full constrained, so leave the sketch. Okay, and now we'll change the attachment of the sketch here. So let's go to model, select the sketch, then click on mouse and select attachment editor, and here we'll change the value of the z direction. Okay, so let's change here to -5. Okay, and now click OK. And now select the sketch and select pad tool. And here we'll set a pad of 10 millimeters. As you can see here, for this part, we'll set 10. So click OK here. And now we'll make this pocket here, this pocket. So select this face here and create a new sketch here. And first here we'll extract this edge. Okay, and now just select rectangle tool and draw this rectangle in this way here. And now select this vertical distance tool. And now we'll set the distance between this point to this point. Okay, so here we see 20. So select this point and this point here and set 20. Okay, and now leave the sketch and create a pocket here with a length of 5 millimeters. Click OK. And now we have these, as you can see. So next here we need to create these two holes here. To create these two holes, just select this face here and select this tool here. And as you can see, now we have these two holes. And the diameter of these two holes is 6. So here we'll set 6 and now click OK. And the next step here, we'll create these two parts. Okay. So here we'll create a new sketch and YZ plane. So click in this icon and now select YZ plane. And now switch to section view and here. Okay, select this external geometry tool and here we'll extract this edge here. So now we have this point here, and next extract this edge here. Okay, and now select this polyline tool, click in this point here and draw this line, and now press M 3 times to get this arc, and now 2 times and click in this point here. Okay, and now click in this vertical line and now here and press M 3 times and now click in this horizontal line. Next here click in this point. Okay, and now click in this tool again, external geometry tool, and extract this edge here and select these two arcs here and set equal. Okay, and here select this point here and set tangent. Okay, and do the same for this point here, tangent constraint. And now we have 3 degrees of freedom. So next here we'll set this angle here. Okay, and this radius here 10 and this distance. So first here select this constraint angle and now select these two lines and set this dimension here, and now select this horizontal distance tool, select this point here, and now okay, here we have to extract this edge here. So first select this external jump tool and extract this edge here, and now select this horizontal distance tool again, select this point here and the center point and set 15. Okay, and we'll set 10 for the radius of this arc here. So select this tool and now this arc here and set 10. So now as you can see we have the sketch full constrained. So leave the sketch and now next here we'll change the attachment of the sketch. Okay, so what we do here, we go to model and select the sketch here, attachment to editor, and here we'll change the value of the Z duration. Okay, here as you can see we have this distance 10, so the value of the Z duration will be 5 millimeters, the half of this dimension here. So set 5 here and now click OK and now select pad tool and change the length of this pad to 5 millimeters. Okay, and now we'll mirror this part here. So select this pad operation and now mirror tool, and change the plane here to YZ plane, and now click OK. And next here we'll create this part here, the cylinder with this hole here. So what we do here, we create a new sketch in YZ plane again, and first here we extract this edge here to get this center point here. Switch to section view, click on this icon here, and now select this cycle tool and draw this cycle. And next we'll set the diameter of this cycle. So here we see a diameter of 16 for this cycle. So now select this constraint here and the cycle and set 16. Okay, as you can see here. And now leave this sketch and select pad. First here, check these options, merge to plane, and now we'll set the length of this pad here to 35. This dimension here. So change here and now click OK. And now as you can see, we have the cylinder. And now just select this face here to create a hole here. Select this face and now click on this icon here, and as you can see we have this hole here and in this face no. So what we can do here we have to change this dimension here. You can change to 6, and the diameter here will set, the diameter of this hole here will set 10. So change here to 10 and now click OK. And now as you can see we have this, and the design of this model is finished. So thank you for watching this video.